How to diagram sentence predicates. What is a predicate? 述語. Every English sentence can be divided into two parts. First, we have the subject, that is who or what is doing the action. And this subject is always a noun, 名詞, or a pronoun, 代名詞. The second part of the sentence is the predicate, 述語. And this is everything that is not the subject. So it's always a verb plus other things like objects, indirect objects, complements. Anything else needed to complete the meaning of the sentence is the predicate. How do we diagram the predicate? Well, if you saw the previous video, you know we put the subject first, and then we draw a baseline. Next, we add a vertical line that passes through the baseline. That is important because we will have other lines later that sit on the baseline. So this predicate line needs to go through the baseline, and the predicate goes here. As simple as that. So we have the subject on the left side and the predicate on the baseline to the right of the predicate line. So let's look at some examples. Cats play. We begin the diagram by writing the subject, we draw the baseline, we draw the predicate line, and then we write in predicate. Another simple two-word sentence. Penguins dance. So the subject is penguins. Draw the baseline, predicate line, dance. Next, we have she smiles. Who or what is smiling? She, so that's the subject. We write that first. She, drawing the baseline, predicate line goes below the baseline, and smiles. Next we have I laugh. I guess you can work out the subject now. Who's laughing? I. Baseline, predicate line, and then the predicate laugh. Nice and easy. And then we have the final sentence, which was the single word relax. The imperative sentence, which has no subject written down or spoken, but it is implied to be you. And because we don't write it or speak it, we put it in brackets, the implied subject, baseline, predicate line, and then relax. Let's quickly review how to diagram predicates. Every sentence is divided into two main parts. The subject, which is who or what is doing the action or is being talked about, and the predicate, which is everything else that is needed to make the complete sentence. Always includes a verb, but could include objects and complements and other things. We have some very simple two-word sentence examples. What's the subject? Cats. That means the predicate is everything else, which in this case is play. What's the subject? Penguins. What are they doing? Dancing. Dance is everything that is not the subject. Who is smiling? She is the subject, and smiles is the predicate. Okay, I hope that was useful. Next, we will move on to some slightly more complicated sentences.